We call this booth Time Theater. The concept of this installation is Light to its time. It's related with our watch called EcoDrive. EcoDrive turns light into time.
Behind me you see our this year's masterpiece, the Citizen Booth, with its family members Bulova, Alpina, Arnold & Son, Frédéric Constant and Miyota. When you look quite closely behind me, you will see 80,000 pieces of clockwork hanging down the ceiling, which is a fabulous installation, an outstanding piece of art here at Baselworld.
And also, the people coming here, we want to request them to think about the time. Because citizen is always thinking, what is time? We express such attitude and idea to the people coming here to think, what is time?